Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you want to give your fish a happy environment that you know he'll thrive in, check out this fish tank.
This is by CB Star, and this is our LED glass aquarium kit. I personally love this because it stays clean for so much longer than my other fish tank that I had. I love the hidden built-in filtration system. It's on the side. It has this lid. It helps the water not evaporate, and it's cute with the star handle. I also like this feeding corner here. I appreciate the LED lights, how sturdy this is, the whole tank, and you can adjust the lights to mimic the daylight and nighttime. There's blue, white, and blue and white. My fish knows when it's time to eat. You can see him come to this corner. This is so easy to set up. I also like this rainwater effect. It's like rainfall, and it really does a great job of aerating my fish tank. It was really a breeze to put together. Most importantly, it is 5 gallons, which is the perfect size for my betta. So if you have like a small fish or a betta, a couple small fish, this is great. You can really see how unique these filtration is with the layering effect. And since it's all hidden, it's really pretty and keeps my tank clutter free. I appreciate this because it works really great. I really like the ambiance. My fish is thrilled. And this glass is so easy to clean. It has smooth edges, has this rimless effect, and this touch button that is easy to turn on and off the lights. This is beautiful, and if you're looking for something that is easy to take care of your fish, this definitely makes it easy for me.
We love it. But that's just my point of view.